On the occasion of the World Health Day 2010, we at Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialty Center and the Madras Diabetes Research Foundation dream of a day when non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease will no longer exist in the community. If this dream is to come true, we have to have an active community participation. In other words, we have to empower the community to take up prevention activities. And therefore, this year's World Diabetes Day 2010 activities of our center, Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialty Center, which is a WHO collaborating center for the prevention and control of non-communicable diseases, was to try to increase physical activity within the community. In addition to the screening camps that we do for hypertension and diabetes, which we do every year, this year we made it a point that we should have aerobic sessions, stretching sessions, walkathons arranged at all of these places, thereby seeing that the physical activity component was enforced within the community. The major program that we organized was a cyclothon, which is a cycling event in Chennai, and a walkathon, a massive Walk for Health campaign, which we organized. This event was flagged off by none other than the worshipful Mayor of Chennai Corporation, Mr. M. Subramanian, who also participated in the cycle rally himself. The Mayor has promised that as part of the World Health Day celebrations, he has taken a pledge to convert the city of Chennai, which has a population of over 7 million people, into a people-friendly city. There will be cycle paths in the city of Chennai for the first time in its history, and there will also be separate places for pedestrians to walk. This is a promise made by the Mayor of Chennai on the occasion of the World Health Day, and is a significant contribution to improving the lives of millions of people in Chennai. As part of the World Health Day celebrations of our center, we also took part in raising NCD awareness among school children, college students, and also we organized several community participation camps where free blood sugar testing and blood pressure testing were conducted for thousands of people in various communities and residential colonies throughout the length and breadth of Chennai. This year's World Health Day celebrations also included healthy recipes, better nutrition for the people, special programs meant for women with gestational diabetes, and yoga and other stress reduction measures in order to reduce stress levels in the community, and several other measures to improve the health of the people in general and for prevention of non-communicable diseases like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease in particular. The response to this year's World Health Day has been tremendous, and we are particularly happy and grateful to the government of Tamil Nadu and to the Corporation of Chennai, and particularly to the Mayor of the Corporation of Chennai for participating in the World Health Day and help to make it a grand success.